Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS, and I hope all of you are doing well and I hope you are managing well through this pandemic. I wanted to pop in for a minute and give a shout out to some lovely crafters here on YouTube that has been keeping me company and keeping me motivated during the pandemic, and also to answer the question as to what we've been doing over at RTS on the Patreon platform, because I get that question a lot, and we have been busy as always, definitely having fun, enjoying each other's company during this pandemic. So what have we been doing? Well, first of all, we have been definitely enjoying sketches and breaking down sketches and scrapbooking with sketches of all kinds. And then of course we've also been doing Disney pages, having fun with that, single pages, double pages, all that. And then also we have been working with a series called Kit Connection, and that's putting collections together and finding a connection with them. And then we just wrapped up Page Kit Carnival, which was in conjunction with Allison Davis at Scrapbook Generations, and that was a 20-week challenge. It was absolutely fun. So we definitely talked about the breakdown of sketches and how you can interpret them in different ways, use them in different ways, and perhaps change them in different ways. And then also the recent gratitude documented project that's been floating around just about everywhere. We've been talking about that, how you can do that in various ways as well. So another thing that we've been doing, and also it's been a lot of work, is that we have been talking about downsizing and organizing when it comes to our scrapbook supplies. And then another thing we've been doing is organizing our fall supplies. And so here is one of my photo boxes, and I show why and how I have this in a photo box, and it's all different fall embellishments. And then we also talked about organizing fall papers, so you know Christmas supplies will be right around the corner. Now another series that we have going on right now that I absolutely am in love with, because it's something I love, which is building kits. And so we have a series in the SOS series, how you can build kits on a budget, don't break the bank, that they can last for the entire year. Absolutely. It's a really great series. I'm really having fun with that. And then also what we've been doing is recently talking about 2021 month in review plans. We've been doing some Bible journaling and a lot of hangouts where we just get together, turn the camera on, and talk and about everything. We show everything, talk about everything, but it's all about scrapbooking. So what I wanted to do today is absolutely what I said, was to give a shout out, and I'm also going to talk about some resources at the end of the video that will keep you motivated through this winter and the rest of this pandemic, because it's great resources. Now, if you are a Patreon friend, don't worry about writing any of this down or looking at the list below, because if you go over to our file section, I have everything typed up, written up, and linked up. All you have to do is save a copy on your computer, and all of this is at your fingertips. That is just something I wanted to do for the gals over there at Patreon. And so Patreon is like any other platform, any other class format. You just go over, sign up, and it's $1 a month. And it is per month, because you may only want to come over and hang out for 1 month or 2 months, or just hang out indefinitely. Totally up to you. We would love to have you there. No drama at all. And it's just a really great group of gals. We are more of a slower pace over there. We spend more time digging deeper into scrapbooking topics, and then we have discussions, and it's just a fabulous group. It really is. So what I want to talk about is a shout out to 85 new crafters here on YouTube. Now, they may be new to you. They may be new to the YouTube platform, or they may be new to posting content during the pandemic. And so what all of these lovely ladies have in common is that they are under 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And the downfall of YouTube is that if you don't fall into that right algorithm, that rhythm and rhyme at the right time, then people don't get to see your videos. And there's so many crafting channels that are just amazing, and they don't get seen because, again, you don't get on that wavelength. So I wanted to give a shout out to these 85 ladies, because they have kept me company during this pandemic. There is something I have enjoyed from each one of these channels, and I wanted to give them a shout out. I wanted to say thank you. That's really what I wanted to do. And then also, if you hit the show more button, you don't have to remember any of this. Just hit that. Look in the description box. All of these 85 channels will be listed below, and they will be linked below. That's all you have to do. So let's get to it, and let's get to a happy little shout out to say thanks. So the first one is Alyssa, getting a scrap done. Amanda, JoJo, XoXo, Anita B, Anita Wood's Scrapbooking channel, Ashley New, Aussie Scrapper, B Ma's Crafty Corner, Becoming Memories, Alyssa McGrew, Be More Crafty, Brandy More Designs, Buy Sweet Tea and Grace, Carmen's Treasures, Christina Inez, City Scrapper. And the other thing I wanted to say is how some of these gals don't have way more than 1,000 subscribers. It's all about that algorithm. That's all it is, because these gals deserve a lot more. So head over to their channels, subscribe, and always hit that like button to every single crafty channel you watch, because then that tells YouTube or any platform that we want more and more crafty channels. It doesn't matter if it's scrapbooking, card making, planner gals, bobber gals, all that. So keep that in mind. So Cook, Scrap, Craft, Craft Diva 45, Craft Social Kelly, Crafty Fit, Crafty Soup Video, Create with Maribel, created by Gwen, Danielle Scraps, Danielle Wagner, Diane Kikla, Dorleen Durham, Dots Scrapbooking, Eliza Journals, Fiona Hogben. Next sheet, a big thanks goes to Floppy Eared Farm. Isn't that too cute? Forever Scrapping. And then my good friend, For the Love of Paper Crafting, you have to go check out her channel. FP Handmade, Gail's Bookish Things, Galaxy Girl Creations, I Am Scrappin' Happy, Jackie Marie. My other good friend, my Jeannie, Jeannie Linguini. Go check out her channel. Jennifer Perry, My Scrap Room, Jessa Lynn Scrapbooking, Joanne Bartel, and JQ Crafty. And she says, if it's not crooked, I didn't create it. Definitely go check her out. Julia Gully and Kathy Feigl. Kathy's another one. How she doesn't have a ton more subscribers, I don't know. I love you, Kathy. Thank you for everything you share. I love it. Katie Faith Journaling, Kylie Brennan, Kelly Pyron, Kiki Hulbert, Krista's Crafty Life, Lori's Craft and Creations, Laura Mar Ortega, Louise Turner, Megan Creates, MK Gunn, gotta check her out, Mom 2 Triplets 04, Mama Vince, Ms. Little Scrappy, Nikita 2471, Party Planner Papery, Pauline, Penny Auld, Petite Mint, Pink Crafty Mama, Plethora of Paper, Pretty Fun Stuff by Diane, RS Nicole 8, Sandy Hearn, Scrappin' Time, Scrappin' in My Sleep, Scrappy Kathy. We go to the next page. Scrappy Tracy, Shadney, Shanine Blinn, Shanann Blinn, She Shed Scrapper, Snap, Scrap, Repeat, SNS Scraps, Storybook Scrapbooking, Brittany Nicole, Sun Porch Scrapbooking, Tam's Journals, The Dutch Scrapper, The Glam Queen's Kingdom, oh yes, The Inspiration Station, The Scattered Scrapper, and I think we're down to the last page. Vicky Parker, Watch Cheryl Scrap, Wild Child Studios Company, and Yiva Germiza. So I am absolutely sure I mispronounced something. I apologize. And I'm absolutely sure I forgot someone. Again, I apologize. But I am subscribed to a lot of gals here on YouTube and also on Patreon. If there's a scrapbooking or a crafting channel platform, class, I'm there because I enjoy all of it. So thank you, ladies, for keeping me motivated and inspired and entertained and keeping me company during this pandemic. I really, really appreciate it. Again, their channels are listed below. So the other thing I wanted to say is during this pandemic, there has been 9 challenges or groups or people, however you want to say it, that has kept me motivated, and they have been consistent with loading content this entire year. And that is Bash Your Stash Facebook group, the Counterfeit Kit Challenge group, Mini Kit Monday Gals, love them. Deborah's Facebook group, love RTS, love those gals. I love Deborah. For the Love of Homemade Kit Gals, Allison Davis at Scrapbook Generations, Gotta check her out. Scrap Happy, the lovely Alice Boll, you have to check out. You just gotta check out all of these. And most of these ladies or groups or challenges do it for free. For the love of crafting and sharing, those gals here on YouTube, they are awesome. And our lovely Shimelle brought back Best of Both Worlds Challenge. So, got to check this all out. Got to check these 85 other gals out. And most of this is all free. And definitely look below. All the links will be listed below. So I definitely wanted to give a shout out to everyone who has been putting in an effort, because it takes a lot of time to do content and to film and to upload and to export and then to have all the equipment to do it. It takes time, energy, and effort, and a lot of these gals do it for free, just like me, because you just want to stay in touch with someone else who scrapbooks or crafts. So I definitely wanted to give a shout out and a huge thanks and thank you for joining in. I will probably pop back in before the end of the year, so that means come back to RTS, because you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.